In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert a checkbox in Excel. Whether you're creating interactive to-do lists, surveys, or tracking tasks, this tutorial will guide you through all the steps. Let's get started. Firstly, to add a checkbox in Excel, make sure you can see the Developer tab at the top. If you can't see it, right-click on the menu and select Customize the ribbon. Check the Developer box and click OK. Now, click on the Developer tab. Next, click Insert button and choose the checkbox. Excel has two sets of controls, but we'll use the simpler form controls for basic tasks. Click on the checkbox, and you'll see a plus sign. You can put it where you want. For our purpose, we will put it into our vacation packing list. There's a frame around it that makes it easy to move or change. Keep in mind that the frame indicates where the checkbox is active. Clicking anywhere inside this frame will either mark or unmark the box. Now we will remove the checkbox text, because we don't need it. And we will also adjust the active area size. Once it's set, you can copy it to other rows by clicking, holding, and dragging it. And if you want to delete a checkbox, right-click it and select Cut option. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to insert checkboxes in Excel, enhancing the functionality and visual appeal of your spreadsheets. If you have found this video helpful and it solved your problem, I would really appreciate if you leave a like below and comment to help other viewers. See you soon.